Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Gupta. I am the leader of our team. We are here to discuss the business plan of our company, Airway Delivery. We are a company, we are delivering services to all over India, almost on every pin codes. Now we are investing venture on hyper local delivery services, and here we are going to deliver products or services to the doorsteps of local area. We are delivering products through the help of drone, and our business plan is taking orders from the companies like pharma chains, local deliveries, and food chains, and they will give us order and we will receive product from them, and then then we will provide that product to the end consumer, and we will get feedback from them. This is our business plan. We have different department. They will discuss about the different thing, like we have HR department. They will decide whom they want to hire, and we have marketing department. They will decide how we gonna promote our product or our brand. We have IT department. They are focusing on our app website. We have finance department also. They are focusing on the budget of our company. And now let's start with the other departments.
Hi everyone, I am Surbhi Rajput and I am in HR department. Our organization has three steps in recruitment process. First is aptitude test, second is technical written test, and third is technical and HR interview round. We have the best training process for our employees. First starts with when the employees enter the organization. After their selection, we conduct induction program for them in which they get to know each other, and also they get to know about the duties and responsibilities and the policies of the company which they have to follow in the future. Then we provide them 5 days training program in which they get to know about their job or their work which they have to do in the organization. After their training gets over, their job will be started. After each 15 days, the performance of the employee will be analyzed, in which the best performers will get rewards and the underperformers will get the training which they need. And also we will provide training to every employee which they need to boost their skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amisha Goyal. I've chosen the finance department. So, the main objective of the business is to achieve the break even point within the first year. There are different expenses like short range drones, long range drones, qualified drone operators, management team, software development team, staff, support staff. So, these are all the expenses which company incurs, and there is also given that 30,000 it includes rent, 30,000 contributing to the office space. It means that it is not for 1 month, it is for whole year. So we will multiply it by 12 because this amount will not be short. It will be high amount. The budget of the company is 10 crore and we have to achieve break even point in this year. Break even point when there is a situation of no profit and no loss. It will be calculated by considering all the departments. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Singh. I have taken a marketing department. Firstly, we set the goals. So our goals is to achieve a break-even points within 1 year. Second is to brand establishment. Third is to become a market leader. Now we set the marketing plan. For this, we set the target audience, and our target audience is food delivery, local delivery, and pharma chains. For this, now we position our product as a 24 into 7 hours, 50 minutes delivery after booking within 4 kilometers. So we set the some promotion strategy which we gonna use. First we use word of mouth, advertisement, celebrity endorsement, and our marketing budget is 29 lakh. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Puspa Jha. I'm IT manager of our business. In IT infrastructure, we have website, app and MIS. In website, we have blog, about us, contact us and career portal. In contact us, there is an option of registration through which clients register themselves and get their ID and password. In career portal, those who want job in our business, they can upload their CV. Now come on app. Through app, our client log in there and upload their booking ID, delivery address and payment method. After that, we generate a tracking ID and give it to them. Through tracking ID, they have a track on their orders. Now that's all about app and website. Now it's all about MIS, that is a management information system, that is a customized software whose name is Airbase MIS. In MIS, we have a three level operating level, middle level and top level. Operating level department only have access on a database to upload data. Middle level can analyze the data and generate report, and through the help of report, top level have plans, futuristic plans which help in the growth of our business. That's all. Thank you.